ihospitality is an industry-leading application designed to minimize the amount of paperwork you have to do and to make sure that everything runs smoothly. It's a complete all-in-one solution for your everyday needs in the hotel, bar, restaurant and takeaway industry. ihospitality allows you to fill in all of your paperwork for the environmental health officer. You can also monitor your staff's paperwork and see if anything hasn't been finished. Create custom checklists to automate many of the processes in your business and start saving time. ihospitality makes it easier to manage your stock with a fully developed stock take system. Check that your staff are working the correct amount of hours and taking proper breaks. And you can even track your product's delivery temperature at all times. Starting from $3.99 a month, try ihospitality now. For more details, visit myihospitality.co.uk.